Did HP Instant Ink send me the wrong cartridge? If you've subscribed to an HP Instant Ink plan and received a replacement ink or toner cartridge that is larger than a regular cartridge or has a different cartridge number, you might wonder if these cartridges are right for your printer. Some HP Instant Ink cartridges might be larger than the cartridges that came with your printer. With these larger cartridges, you can print more pages, and HP reduces the number of shipments and cartridges manufactured, making this an environment-friendly choice for minimizing waste. Even though the new HP Instant Ink cartridge might be larger or have a different number, it will still fit your printer like a regular cartridge. The end of the HP Instant Ink cartridge will stick out further than the regular cartridge. Your printer is designed to fit these larger cartridges too,